To access the student list of a particular class, click View next to the corresponding class and then click Student List. This will show you all the names of the students in the class. Clicking View for a particular student allows you to view the status of their progress reports and fun sheet. From here, you may proceed to complete that particular student's progress report. To navigate between students, click Next Student or Previous Student located on the top right-hand corner of the page. To go back to the student list, click Back to Student List on the top left of this page.